Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to check DMs on Instagram. To access your direct messages on Instagram, open the app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged in to your account. You will find the messenger icon in the top right corner of the screen. From there, you can send and receive messages. If your account is public, you will have the option to organize your messages into primary, general, and request categories. If your account is private, you will only see a simple DM section where you can view your conversations. To view a specific conversation, simply tap on it and it will appear in the general section. Instagram filters messages from people who aren't on your friend list, and you can find these messages in the request section. Additionally, you can access conversations from different pages and celebrities you're following in the channel section. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, like the video, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.